Do these 4 important things immediately after uploading your video on YouTube. This is the exact strategy I used for this particular video, and it's made a big difference. But before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer. Everything I'm sharing here is based on my personal experience for getting more views and subscribers. Now, this is a simple action you need to take within the YouTube app itself. You don't need to go to the YouTube studio or the website to apply all these steps, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are most welcome. And to my returning viewers, you guys, thank you so much for your continued support. I love you so much. My name is Ekia V, and on this channel, I share YouTube growth tips and strategy to help small creators succeed on YouTube. So if this sounds like a vibe, kindly subscribe to join the family and let's all grow together. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. As a small creator, the very first thing you need to do when your video goes live is stay on YouTube and watch your video all the way to the end. After watching, like the video yourself and then leave a thoughtful comment. After that, you will pin that comment to the top. This signals to YouTube that your video is active and engaging right from the start, okay? You are doing this because the YouTube algorithm favors creators who are active and engaged on the platform. Next, go around your niche and engage with other creators. Watch their video to the end and leave a thoughtful comment. You are doing this because the YouTube algorithm favors creators who are active and engaged. So the more you interact, the more YouTube will trust you and promote your content. All right. Moving on to number 2 is, please, I want you to listen to this part very carefully because this mistake cost me a lot in the beginning. Now, when you upload your video and you share your link immediately on platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram, the YouTube algorithm thinks you can self-promote your own video, so it doesn't feel the need to push your video to a wider audience. I made this mistake when I started this channel, and trust me, my videos got few recommendations and extremely low views. So after uploading, allow YouTube to process your video, analyze it, and start promoting it organically, okay? Moving on to step 3. Now, this tip may sound surprising, but trust me, it actually works, especially for small creators, okay? Now, as a new YouTuber, having a second account is a must, okay? Having a second account is a game changer. Now, here is what I do. After uploading a new video, I'll log into my second account and then watch the video from the beginning to the end. After watching the video, I will like the video and leave a thoughtful and genuine comment. So when real viewers come to your channel and see that there's already meaningful engagement on your channel, they are more likely to stay longer and watch your video and also interact with your content, all right? This early engagement boosts your video click-through rate and attract organic viewers for your channel, okay? I've used this same strategy, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. If you apply these tips to your channel, trust me, your channel is going to grow from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. So please take note of that, okay? Moving on to step 4. I say this in almost all of my videos because it's that important. If someone takes time to leave a comment on your video, please do not ignore them, okay? Always respond to every single comment and try to create conversations. This shows YouTube that people are engaging with your content and you are actively building a community. And trust me, these 2 things really help YouTube to push your video to a wider audience. If you check my channel, you will notice that none of my videos have unanswered comments. I personally take time to reply to every single comment on my channel. And trust me, this has made a huge change over the past few weeks. If you stay consistent with these 4 strategies for about a month, you will start seeing a massive difference. More views, more subscribers, and real growth on your channel. Alright? Implement these steps immediately after uploading your videos. Stay consistent and watch your channel gain more views and subscribers. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below so that YouTube can recommend it to more viewers. See you in my next video. Bye bye.